Ground engaging tools, or GET, are the frontline wear parts of your bucket. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to replace worn GET to keep your bucket working efficiently and safely. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready. Start by removing the side cutter. Then loosen and remove all bolts with a socket or impact wrench. Carefully remove the side cutter and set it aside. Next, remove the bucket teeth. Use a punch and hammer to carefully knock the pin out from one side. Once the pin is dislodged, remove it completely and slide the tooth off the adapter. Position the pin retainer in the adapter slot before tooth installation. Align and insert the pin through the tooth and adapter, then hammer it in firmly until it locks with the retainer in place. Insert the bolts into the adapter first, then align the new side cutter into position. Install the nuts onto each bolt and hand tighten to hold the cutter in place. Tighten the bolts and nuts securely using a socket or impact wrench, following a crisscross pattern for even clamping. Apply final torque as recommended.